Hello everyone, I am super excited about Groundhog Day and I hope you are too. This video is going to show you how to log in, how to attend the event, how to join sessions, and generally how to participate in our biggest event of the year, Groundhog Day. So you will have received this email. Below the link to watch this video is also a link to go to the Groundhog Day event page. We are doing this through Zoom. You will need to have a Zoom account, but nothing paid, just a free standard Zoom account will do just fine. Nothing super special there. We should all probably have a Zoom account by now, given the last 2 years. So if you don't, you can register for a free one, and that is more than enough to get yourself into Groundhog Day. You're going to end up on a page like this. And if you don't see join lobby there, that's okay. What you're going to see is purchase a ticket, but guess what? Tickets are free. So you're just going to pick up a free ticket, provide your email address, which not a big deal. We already have that. And then you'll be able to actually log in and join the Zoom event. So this is a new platform for us. This might be a new platform for you as well. So this video is just purposed to help instruct you on how to participate, how to find the sessions that you want, and generally how to learn on Groundhog Day. So once you are logged into Zoom, you're registered for the event, you have your ticket, you will see this join lobby button, and you'll also receive an email as well to join the Groundhog Day lobby. You can join now, you can join later. So once you do that, it'll prompt you to open up a Zoom meeting like any other Zoom meeting. And then you'll be able to open up, you'll see this new special Zoom interface. If you have already downloaded Zoom, there's nothing special to download here. This is just part of your standard Zoom client. And we have a few options. We have a chat here where you can participate with other registrants. On the left-hand side, you'll see the home. This is where you can explore sessions and view your itinerary, and then we also have sessions and itinerary on the left here. So if you open up sessions, you will see all of the various different sessions that are happening on Groundhog Day and what time they are. So we have opening remarks starting at 8:30, followed by Leslie Sim, Jack Arturo, myself, Paul Toby, Chris Britton. The list goes on and on and on. What you are able to do is you are able to bookmark sessions. So I'm going to go ahead and I can bookmark Chris Britton's session by doing that. And if I go to my itinerary, it'll show up in my actual schedule there. So I can click on that to bring it up, and then I can join the event when it starts. So this is a really interesting way of participating in this event. So you can scroll through the sessions now, add them to your itinerary, and when this event gets rolling, they're all going to be at your fingertips, ready to join. The comment sections are all enabled, the chat is enabled, so we really encourage participation, and we really look forward to seeing you in Groundhog Day. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Our team is diligently looking after all of the aspects and channels for this event, so we'll make sure that you get an answer to your question before we start tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Really looking forward to it. We'll see you there.